Hello, let's solve for x in this nice exponential equation with exponents that are fractions. Many get afraid when they see questions with square root of exponents that are fraction. But then let's see how we'll solve for the value of x in this expression. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel for more. Now, if you are given this question, what do you do first? Considering this question, the first thing that should come to my mind is to see how I can do away with that fraction, which is an exponent. And to do that, all I need to do is to multiply both sides by the exponent x. Now, if I do that, what will happen to the expression? Let's see. From that expression, I'm going to have that expression to now give me x to the power of 4x, and this will be multiplied by x, right? And this will be equal to 1 divided by the square root of 2 multiplied by 1 divided by x, and all this will be multiplied by x. Now, you do know that when you have exponents, they will have to multiply. With that, this exponent is going to what? Multiply this to clear this. And voila, I've cleared that fraction. And if this multiplies, I'm going to have 4 to the power of x all squared, right? And that expression will now be equal to 1 divided by the square root of 2. Great. So, having cleared on away with the fraction, the next thing I have to do with is to see how I can reduce the exponent on the left hand side. So what do we do from there? From the left hand side, all I'm going to do is to see how I can take away the 4. And the only way I can do that is to multiply both sides by the exponent 1 divided by 4. So that expression will now give me x to the power of 4x squared, right? All multiplied by 1 divided by 4. And this will be equal to whatever we do to the left hand side, I must definitely do to the right hand side. So this will give me what? 1 divided by 4. Great. Now, considering that the exponent will have to multiply, then I'll have this to become x to the power of 4x squared multiplied by 1 divided by 4, and this will be equal to, on this other side, I'm still going to have this expression to now give me 1 divided by the square root of 2, or what? To the power of 1 divided by 4. From this expression, 4 will have to clear 4, right? Then I will be left with x to the power of x squared. Now recall from the left hand side that this square root can still give me, if I have the square root of y, that can be equal to y to the power of 1 divided by 2, right? Good. And the square root of 1 can still be equal to 1. So it doesn't change anything. So from that expression, I can have that expression to now be 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 half, right? And all these will be multiplied by 1 divided by 4. Great. Now let's simplify this. The exponent will have to multiply, so I'll have x to the power of x squared, right? And this will be equal to 1 divided by 2 all to the power of 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 4, and that will give me 1 over 8. So I'm going to have this expression to be x to the power of x squared equal to 1 divided by 2 all to the power of 1 divided by 8. Great. Now in the next step, what do we do? Check out this expression very well and ask yourself, what do I do from here? Simple. I'm going to include an expression such that once I include that expression, that expression will make this very easy for me to simplify. So what I'll have is I'm going to include this to become x to the power of x squared, right? This will be equal to 1 divided by 2. Watch what I'll do over here. Multiply by 1 divided by 8, the power of 1 divided by 8, multiply by 2 divided by 2. It's just me taking 1 divided by 8 and multiplying it by 1 to still give me 1 divided by 8. So what do I have there? That expression will now give me, in the next step, x to the power of x all squared will be equal to 1 divided by 2 all to the power of 2 divided by 8 times 2 is what? 16. Great. Now, what do we do from here? What do we do from here now? I'm going to isolate the exponent. If I isolate the exponent, I'm going to have this to become x to the power of x squared equal to 1 divided by 2. This is going to be square, right? And that will be multiplied by 1 divided by 16. Great. So I have not changed anything. It's just exactly the way it is. Now, if I simplify the expression in the bracket, that is now going to give me x to the power of x squared, and this will be equal to 1 square is 1, and then I'll have this to be 1 divided by 4 all to the power of 1 divided by 16. Now check out 16 very well. 16 can be equal to 4 square, right? So that means I can still break up that expression to give me a simpler term, and that will be what? X to the power of x squared equal to 1 divided by 4 to the power of 1 divided by 4 all what? All squared. Now, can you see what I'm saying? Can you see what I'm saying? You can see that we have a common square, so I can do away with this square, right? And from this expression, you come to see that have similar base and similar square exponent. So I can simply take one. This exponent will be equal to this, or this will be equal to this. So what would that be? That will now give me the value of my x to be equal to 1 divided by 4. And that is the solution to that equation given to us up there. Now I want to give you an assignment. I want you to take your time, take the value of x equal to 1 divided by 4, insert it into the original equation up there, which is the equation given to us. Insert the value of x equal to 1 divided by 4 and see if the left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. If that is the case, then our solution is absolutely right. Whatever you do and whatever your solution is, you drop your answer in the comment section and we'll be so glad to engage with you. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.